smiley face. Oh wow, smile car. This is so cute. Yellow color card. The card has a smiley face. Do you like it, kids? Now keep it aside.
Wow!
A rocket. This is eraser also. Let's open it. This is so nice. You can also separate them. Red color, white color, blue color. Now join them again.
Hiya!
Do you like it, kids?
Wow!
A lion. Let's open it. It is eraser. Wow, this is so cute. Do you like it, kids? You can also separate them. Let's join them again.
Hiya!
Brown color, orange color, white color, black color. Hope you enjoy it, kids. Keep it aside. Kids, oh wow, fruit slices. Let's open it. They all are erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's learn their names. This is strawberry slices. Green color, red color. This is grape. Blue color, green color. Orange. Orange color, white color. And our last fruit is kiwi. Green color. They are so cute. Do you like to eat fruit, kids? Now keep them aside. Grape, orange, kiwi, and our last fruit is strawberry. Kids, oh wow, a bunny. This is so cute. A yellow color bunny. Do you like it, kids? You can also open this.
Whoa! Wow!
Let's open it.
No. Yeah.
Wow, small candies. Let's join it. Now keep it aside.
Whoa!
So many colorful fishes. Let's open it. One, two, three, four. Total 4 fishes. Let's play with them. Orange color, white color. You can also separate their parts. Blue color, yellow color. Violet color, white color. Do you like it, kids? Yellow color, sky blue color. Let's join them again. Now keep them aside. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
Oh wow, color pens. Let's learn the colors. Light green color, pink color, orange color, green color, purple color, blue color, yellow color, sky blue color, red color, and the last one is brown color. Let's learn alphabets. Pink, A. A for aeroplane. A for also apple. Purple. B. B for bulbul. B. B for also bobcat. Light green. C. C for cat. C. C for also camera. Sky blue. D. D for dinosaur. D. D for also dolphin. Red. E. E for eagle. E. E for also elephant. Yellow. F. F for frog. F. F for also fish. Orange. G. G for giraffe. G. G for also guava. Blue. H. H for hippopotamus. H. H for also hornbill. Round. I. I for iguana. I. I for also ice cube. Now say with me, kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning.